themselves in themselves. If they start to be me, it means nothing to me.
Quand je pense à mes enfants, c'est pareil, je veux absolument pas qu'ils soient moi, je veux qu'ils trouvent leur propre personnalité, ça aura aucun sens qu'ils soient comme moi.
To make it easy, I have to see love in their lives. They must love to be themselves. They must amaze me. They must do things that I'll say, wow. I must see beauty in their lives. If I see myself, it means nothing. They have to be better than me. You understand? I have to see, they love me so much, but they have to see that I have faults of my own. And what I want my children to see is to take the heritage to another level that I will know as a father, I did a good job giving them true love, understanding of the world, and making them better people.
Pour moi, le travail de père, c'est de leur donner de l'amour, et après, ce que je veux voir en eux, c'est qu'ils m'étonnent, c'est que je vois leur vraie personnalité, et qu'ils portent cet héritage à un autre niveau qui ne m'appartienne plus.
So I think my father understood this later when I left.
Mon père l'a compris plus tard, après mon départ. Alors,
The second question was...
On a du temps? On est très juste. Ok, it's the last one.
Macron.
La question Macron.
Our President Emmanuel Macron
Just a minute.
visited the new
My friend.
the new Africa Shrine in July.
No, was it July?
Yeah, June or July.
Yeah. July, yes, July, yeah.
Quelle était la question exactement?
Il y a une controverse qui est née dans la diaspora africaine suite à cette visite. Et les gens pensaient, beaucoup de gens ont pensé que c'était pas légitime d'inviter une personnalité comme Emmanuel Macron au shrine.
Can you tell us about the controversy there was within the African diaspora about the legitimacy of his coming?
It's very complicated, but again, I think human beings like complication.
C'est très compliqué, mais je crois que les êtres humains aiment ça.
Today, at my age and experience in life, I look for simplicity.
Aujourd'hui, à mon âge, je cherche la simplicité.
Now, President Macron came to Lagos in 2002.
Ouais.
He came to watch me, but the press lie to themselves that he came to watch my father.
Alors, il était déjà venu en 2002 pour me voir moi, mais la presse avait raconté qu'il venait pour voir.
So even today, when the press in Nigeria write, they say President Macron came to watch Fela, but Fela was dead in 2002.
Il était déjà mort.
So they find it difficult to give me credit for the things I've done after 4 decades of playing music.
On a toujours du mal à me donner du crédit pour tout ce que je fais depuis 40 ans de
I
carrière.
don't mind.
Et tant pis.
Two, he came at a time where the shrine was facing serious difficulty with the government closing the place all the time. We had songs like Shoton, Can't Buy Me, very political songs. And the shrine was the symbol of fighting for justice. And the government was trying everything to close the shrine.
Alors quand il est venu, le gouvernement a essayé un peu tout ce qu'il pouvait pour fermer le shrine, qui est un lieu mythique lui-même qui incarne la rébellion.
President Macron came and saw all this energy, and he said he was inspired.
Alors Macron aurait dit qu'il appréciait cette énergie et que ça l'inspirait.
I think he came, maybe it motivated him to go into politics, and he felt it was important for him to come back to the shrine. So this was I think for me, a very important political statement, especially for Nigeria.
Okay. Donc ce voyage de 2002 de Macron l'aura peut-être même inspiré à entrer en politique. Et le fait qu'il soit revenu était un geste symbolique important, en tout cas pour le Nigeria, et pour reconnaître ce qui avait été fait dans le...
Now politically, one cannot erase the atrocities France has committed in Africa.
On ne peut pas effacer pour autant les atrocités qui ont été commises par la France en Afrique.
But if we keep going back and saying France cannot escape and we just keep on talking about it, then how do we move forward from this topic?
Et comment on peut avancer sur ce sujet si on continue de
My
se ramener
goal
à ça?
is France has to recognize it.
Il faut que la France reconnaisse ses exactions.
But as in the forefront of this political message, I think, how do we now solve this problem? For me, France must be part of the solution. Africa needs Europe. We all need each other today to survive.
Maintenant, on a tous besoin les uns des autres et il faut que, pour avancer, que l'Europe participe de la solution et pas...
We need medicine, we need technology. Africa has to be in the forefront of contributing positively to world development. Africa must be given the freedom to think, dream its own dream. And France must let Africa be.
Il faut que la France laisse l'Afrique avoir ses propres rêves de ce qu'elle veut être et devenir.
As I speak to you, I think in English, I dream in English, but I'm African.
Je pense en anglais, je rêve en anglais, mais je suis africain.
When does the African man think and speak in his own language? And Europe is ready to address that African person. I've been coming to France now and everybody says, when will you speak French? But when will you speak my language?
On me demande souvent en France pourquoi tu parles pas français. J'ai envie de répondre pourquoi toi tu parles pas anglais.
So there are so many issues we have to tackle. But what is most important for Africa right now? Survival is what is important for Africa right now. We want Africa to create its own jobs. President Macron and I see this eye to eye. Africa must build its self-esteem, which means we must have the best universities in Africa, the best jobs back in Africa, the best hospitals must be in Africa again, the best roads must come to Africa, the best railway lines must come to Africa. Today, Africa will not be able to do this if Europe does not see this vision with Africa. And these are the things President Macron and I agree on. And it's not about Africa running away from its problems, coming to Europe and being second citizens here, but having the self-respect of its own public, its own people. Where I will love a day where French people don't even need a visa to come into Africa, neither do we need a visa to come to France, because nobody is going to be thinking of running away or migrating. There will be complete freedom, total happiness, joy, respect, mutual respect for everybody. And I think this is the way I see the world, this is the way the world should be. But this will only happen if Africa is given the total freedom to build, corruption must stop. And then the same railway lines, the same beauty I see in Europe must exist in Africa. So the dream the African young person sees that when he comes to Europe, this is God's land. He doesn't see this. He has to believe it in himself. In our own environment, it has to be there. And these are the things, these are the discussions I had with President Macron. We agree on this. And I would, the next time we meet, we're definitely going to expatiate on this. How does Africa be Africa on its own? How does the world respect Africa? Africa must create itself and must be given the freedom for this.
Vous avez tout compris.
Oui,
Merci à tous d'être venus. On va devoir libérer Femi qui va devoir aller faire son concert.
Merci beaucoup. Pardon, mon frère.